Chaser gang. Boom. Amen. Say man, you already know what it is. Your girl Dreamchasin Geo. Back with another banger. I know y'all like, what is going on, man? Why are y'all saying that? Because y'all don't see a lot of cars. I mean, we got a 300 right here. You know what I'm saying? And I'm parked over there. But guys, your girl is in barber school. As you can see, as you can tell from the thumbnail. Look at that. Look at that. See that barber pole, man? Hey guys, this is not a car related video. I know y'all probably confused, but guys, I'm chasing my dreams. I told you I will be throwing at you a lot of different kind of content. This is one of them. This is different. This is outside of my car vibes, my car stuff, man. But guys, your girl's in barber school, and I am excited. Been going here for about a month. I know I've been MIA. Why? Because I've been grinding. I've been focusing on levels of success, man. I'm trying to elevate, guys. So today's video is just gonna be a little simple video of my setup, as well as some stuff that go on in class when we don't have clients to take care of, guys. But guys, I'm excited. I am truly excited. Let me stop talking. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get right into this video. Hey man, say man, your girl is in barber school, guys. I've been going off the scene for a while. I haven't been dropping car content. Why? Why? Because I have been focusing on my dream of becoming a barber gang. Hey man, I'm telling you, this road is so fun. It's so adventurous. Best part about it, it's not easy. I don't like stuff that come easy. I like to work hard for everything that I do. You know what I'm saying? But guys, I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to get right into this video. I'm going to show you guys my barber school setup. We got the water right here. You know what I'm saying? To keep the hair moist. Then you got the barber side, a must-have. Okay, then we go ahead and got the neck strips, as you can see. Got that cool care, that good old, good smelling alcohol, you know what I'm talking about. Then we got the Whiskey Woods powder, okay. Hey, if you don't have a liquid razor, you are asleep. Got that good old clipper oil, you must have, keeping clippers good, you know what I'm saying. We got the olive oil right here, man. Get that good smelling moisture spray, okay? Lysol. Hey, man, if you don't have Lysol, I don't know what you are doing with yourself. A must-have, must-have. All right, then we got the good old neck duster, you know what I'm saying? Get the little extra hair off of you. You see what's going on, okay? Then, guys, you must have a sharps container for the razors, man. Safety always first, and sanitation, man. We got the combs right here, and we got the brushes, got the pick, you know what I'm saying? Little setup right here. Then, guys, we're gonna show y'all this right here. This little paper of different fades. As you can see, we got the razor right here. We got the strips to hold the hair up, you know, just to get them sides good and going, not taking nothing off the top. Then we got the shears package, man. Watch out, man. Alright, we're gonna go to the clippers, guys. Man, look at these clippers, man. These are my go-tos, man. Gamma Ergos, man. These things are pressure, for real, for real. Love these things, man. They do magic, for real. Got the Babbage next to them, man. Whew. Y'all see what's going on. Then we got the Gamma Evos right here, man. Best trimmers. Yes, they are zero gap. I just got these, the Babbage trimmers, man. Patty's edition, man. Hey, truth. We got the Gamma Uno shaver. We got the guards right here, as you can see. Guys. Then we got the Louis V cape, man. Hey, that's hard. That's hard. Got the sponge, get them curls, you know what I'm saying, up and going. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Gotta have the gloves, man. Got to. Then we got the wave brush, you know what I'm saying, get them waves popping even more. Underneath we got barber side, extra, you know, stuff. Look at my ring light though, man. You don't have this, I don't know what you are doing. A must have, man. You see everything, man, for real. A ring light in the mirror is a must, for real, for real. Alright, got my boy getting them right. As you can see, he just cut his dreads off. He just cut his dreads off, guys. So, gonna get some waves going in there. What's the back? The front? Oh yeah, I see. Guys, that is my barber school setup, man. I hope you like it. I hope y'all stay with me as I grind on this road to success, man. I will be dropping many videos of haircuts, tutorials, all that. I'm taking y'all on a journey with me. It's only right. Why? Because we chase a gang, you know what I'm saying? We don't do nothing without each other. So with that being said, man, I hope y'all like this video. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like, and share this video, man. I'm going up, road to 2K, man. Major salute on that 1K. Right now, gang, I'm also working on getting monetized, guys. So I gotta get these watch hours up. I will be going live frequently, like, man, I'm out here chasing. But yeah, guys, with that being said, your girl Dream Chasing Geo.
I'm chasing dreams. 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 I'm chasing dreams.